Hey guys, so if you have any trouble getting white chocolate for your drip cakes, I learned a little trick and I've stopped using white chocolate, and that trick is this ready-made frosting vanilla. You just want to put it in a container, put it in the microwave, add your coloring, and it takes coloring really well. You don't want to put it in the microwave too long, because if you put it in there too long, then it's going to get too runny and make a mess all over the cake. So I put it in there for like 4 to 5 seconds, 6 the most, and then I'm going to drip it on the cake. Oh, and if you're working in AC like myself, you have to move fast because it hardens. This is what I use for all my drip cakes. I think I made the hole a little too big, but that's fine.